We've now installed the Portalink AnyOrder app, and we can start testing the system with actual orders. Before we show you how to do that, let's take a moment to navigate through the Getting Started page, where you'll find helpful instructions about configuring your app before you start testing offline orders. Here's a helpful hint. The Portalink AnyOrder subscription plans allow you to select the plan you need at any given time. Portalink AnyOrder can scale very quickly, literally converting thousands of customers from manual entry to accurate automated processing within just a few weeks. So if the testing ticks all your boxes, start with a small plan and move up to the next plan when ready. If you have a seasonal downturn in volume, you can easily return to a smaller plan at any time you choose. Portalink AnyOrder uses the email address in the received email message to identify the customer or the company sending the order. In this video, we'll show you how to create email blacklisting rules in your Portalink AnyOrder app. Your email blacklist will prevent you from accidentally linking the wrong sender email to a company or customer account. Importantly, your blacklist should be created before you activate your email forwarding rules. Here's how. Click the Admin button on the Portalink AnyOrder menu bar. Then click Emails Configuration. Now, you can add unwanted email addresses or domains. Under the Blacklist section, enter individual email addresses or domains in the new identifier box. Select Auto Assign or Document Link from the drop-down menu and click the Add button to save your blacklist entry. Auto Assign prevents the blacklisted address from being linked to the customer or company account. Document Link prevents the blacklisted address from automatically being assigned to the order form template of the customer or company account. Selecting one or other option is for exceptional use cases. We recommend that at commencement, both Auto Assign and Document Link should be applied to all blacklistings. Here's a helpful hint. We suggest you manually forward your email orders for testing before setting up auto-forwarding rules in your email server. To prevent you from linking your own email address to an account by mistake, start by blacklisting your own company domain for the POC phase. You can add more email addresses and domains for sales reps and generic email addresses such as Gmail and Yahoo when you're ready to start auto-forwarding. In this video, we're going to discuss how to add user accounts and how to grant roles and permissions. To grant user access to the Portalink AnyOrder app, click Settings in your Shopify admin platform. Then click Users and Permissions and Add Staff. This button allows you to create a new user account. This step is only required if the person is not already an existing user within your Shopify admin. Enter the details of each new user. Now, you can grant store permissions and app and sales channel permissions for both new and existing users by ticking the appropriate boxes. Send an invite to the new users you have added, and they will receive a login email. Now that users have access to the Portalink AnyOrder app, it's time to configure their specific permissions. Open the Portalink AnyOrder app. Click Admin. Under User Permissions, click on Manage Users. You will see a list of users and their assigned roles for the app. Staff members have access to the inbox and the orders list. They can open and process orders, manage customer linking, mappings of customer order forms, and all the functions required to keep the business running efficiently from day to day. To add or change roles for a user, click the Add Role button next to their name. The administrative role provides full access to Portalink AnyOrder, including analytics and settings, in addition to inbox and orders. Administrator role is generally assigned to supervisors and management. You can have multiple administrators. You can add or remove roles at any time, making it easy to manage your team's access. It's a good idea to grant user permissions to your system integration partner so that they can help you achieve optimal offline performance in the quickest possible time. If you do not want your partner to see the inbox or orders pages, but you would like to grant access to the analytics and settings pages, select the SI Partner option in the drop-down list. To summarize, here are the features accessible to each user role. Administrators have access to inbox, orders, analytics, and settings. Staff members have access to the inbox and orders. The SI partner only have access to analytics and settings. If you want your SI partner to access the inbox and orders as well, select Staff members and SI partner, or simply make them an administrator. To remove a role, simply click the minus button next to the role you want to revoke. That's it for user roles and permissions. In this video, we'll show you how to make emailed orders appear in your Portalink Any Order inbox. The unique email address has been created for your Portalink Any Order app. To locate it, click the Admin button on your menu bar, then click Get Started. This is where you'll find your unique recipient email address. The goal is to eliminate manual order processing by automating every customer order you can. And later in this video, we'll show you how to create a totally frictionless order experience for your customers and your customer service team by automating email forwarding. But for testing purposes, we recommend that you start by using the recipient email address to manually forward individual emailed orders that have already been processed. When choosing which emails and orders to forward to your Portalink Any Order app, you need to remember that the data in your Shopify store is set up for online orders. For example, your customer list may not fully represent all your active B2B customers, and your online catalog of products and pricing may be incomplete. This is not a problem because we will make sure those gaps are addressed before you go live, but it may affect your testing if the orders you forward are for customers or products that have not already been uploaded to your Shopify platform. So, for testing purposes, try to select recent orders that have come from customers and include products that are already listed in your Shopify store. Then use the recipient email address to forward each order which, in a matter of seconds, will appear in your Portalink Any Order inbox. It's a good idea to find orders that are error-free, as well as orders where the buyer has made a mistake, such as an incorrect product code or incorrect pricing. This will help you test Portalink Any Order more thoroughly. If you have blacklisted your company domain as suggested in the last video, and assuming you forward the email with the same domain, Portalink will automatically search the body of your forwarded email to find your customer's email address. If this customer's email address has not already been linked, Portalink will prompt you to select and link the found address to the customer account, company, location, and customer details that are listed in your Shopify directory. The following step of mapping the order form is covered in our next video. When the customer email has been linked and mapped, all future orders from that customer will be automatically converted to a digital order ready to process without manual entry. When you are ready to turn on auto email forwarding for one, many, or all of your customers that send offline orders, you will be on your way to achieving ultimate order automation success. To proceed with auto email forwarding, simply conduct a Google search on email forwarding rules for your specific email provider, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or any other mail service. It may also be advisable to consult your email administrator for assistance with creating the forwarding rules. Here's a helpful hint. When setting up auto email forwarding, make sure the original emails are automatically stored in an archive folder that can be accessed in the unlikely event of a system outage. In this video, we'll explore how to use the inbox. We'll show you how to send a test order to the system, and we'll show you how to link a first-time order to a customer account. The inbox is where all messages can be viewed and managed. The Portalink Any Order app automatically filters messages into 6 groups. Let's explore each group. The Linking Required tab is where all the messages appear that have not yet been linked to a customer account. The Mappings Verification tab is where you'll find messages that have been linked and are awaiting the verification step to confirm that all the fields have been mapped correctly by Portalink AI. The Pending tab includes messages that have been linked, awaiting mapping, and orders that have not been archived. Under the More Filters button, you'll see another 3 options. The All Messages option is where all messages received can be viewed until they have been processed or archived. The Processing option shows orders that are currently being processed by your customer service team. And the Archived option is where you'll find all the messages that have already been processed or where no further action is required. When orders are exported to Shopify Draft, the message will automatically be archived. You can also archive messages manually when required. This is useful for messages that do not contain a customer order. To see how the inbox works, send a test email to your unique Portalink email address. You'll find your unique email address by going to Admin, Getting Started, and Email Forwarding. Now, in your own email system, find an email with a PDF order attachment that has been sent by one of your customers. Ideally, the order should be from a customer that already exists in your Shopify customer listing for Shopify online orders. Moreover, for testing purposes, it's better to select an order for products that are already included in your Shopify catalog for online orders. When you're ready to send your test order, forward the order to your Portalink Any Order app. Copy and paste your unique Portalink email address and send. Your test email should appear in your Portalink Any Order inbox within 30 seconds. If Portalink is receiving a message from this customer for the first time, then you should see it in the Linking Required tab. Once linked, the message and order will move to the Mappings Verification tab. Once mapped, repeat orders from this customer will land in the Pending tab. When our test order appears in your Portalink Any Order inbox, you can link your customer's email address to the company account listed in Shopify. This one-off process ensures that all future orders from each customer are automatically associated with the correct account. Open the order in the inbox by clicking on it. Select the correct email address under Link Account. The system will show you the email addresses it has detected in the message. You'll notice 2 optional checkboxes. The first is Only Use Domain Name. Check this if you want to link all future emails from this domain, regardless of the sender, rather than only the specific address of the sender. This is useful for customers who have multiple buyers sending orders for the same company. The second option is Remember for Future Messages. Check this to automatically apply the chosen linking rule to all future emails from the same address. Next, choose the company from your Shopify customer account list to apply the link. As you type the account name into the fuzzy search filter, the list of accounts will narrow until you can select the account name that matches the customer in the test email. The main contact for the company should already be visible. If not, the system will help you to add the main contact. This is an important step that is required for Shopify to process the order. Click the Link Company button and then click Confirm Link when prompted. The next step is to click Request Mapping. We'll discuss how the mapping process works in the next video. Here's a valuable tip. Assigning the linking and mapping tasks to specific individuals in your team will help you avoid any lost time or lag in these important steps. The mapping tool in Portalink AnyOrder combines optimal speed and accuracy. As seen in the last video, after you create the link between the sender of an order and your customer account, you can click Request Mapping. Portalink's advanced AI will analyze the order attachment and generate a first mapping within seconds. It's super accurate, but even the best AI can make mistakes, so it's important to spend a few minutes verifying that every field of data within the order has been identified and mapped correctly. This verification step is usually only required once. Any improvements your team make to the mapping during the verification process will automatically be applied to future orders for fast, frictionless order processing. From time to time, some customers may change their order form layout. If a customer's order form changes, Portalink will automatically help you to re-verify the mapping to ensure that you are not at risk of data errors. Let's have a look at the mapping and verification process. Click on the Request Mapping button to create a mapping for future attachments. Then click Verify to check each field that has been automatically mapped to ensure it aligns with the order fields in the original attachment. The system will show you the extracted value alongside the location it was pulled from in the document. Click OK if the data is correct. If a field in the order does not correctly align with the mapped field, click Wrong and then click Fix. The system will present you with options for correction. First, you can select from the options Portalink provides. Simply choose the correct one from the list. Alternatively, you can manually enter or copy and paste the order data directly from the document. Portalink AI will use the new field location for future orders. Navigate through the steps using the Next and Previous buttons. Once all the data fields are verified and any corrections are made, click Submit Mapping Verification. This will save the mapping, which is automatically applied to order processing. Now, click Retry to reprocess the order. Remember, just a few minutes verifying the first mapping will save many hours over time. Portalink's mapping capability is proven to responsibly scale order automation quicker than any other system. By eliminating the risk of AI hallucination, you will quickly learn to trust Portalink's offline order data with a high level of zero touch, significantly reducing time and effort wasted on order entry without putting you at risk. Use the side menu to navigate to your orders. You will see 4 tabs. The system will default to pending orders when you first open the page, but you can navigate to the other tabs to see all orders, archived orders, and needs attention. As the name suggests, all orders provides a list of orders that have not yet been processed, and archived orders are where orders are stored after they've been exported to Shopify drafts. Customers do not always send the right information in their orders. Data discrepancies are inevitable because the hundreds or thousands of systems used by your customers quickly get out of sync with your own systems. These errors are most common in offline orders, but Portalink AnyOrder is designed to help you achieve optimal efficiency by quickly finding errors and helping you to quickly fix them where necessary. Many of Portalink's customers value the elimination of errors and the acceleration of order-to-shipment cycles. Portalink AnyOrder delivers even more than the time customer service teams get back to focus on the important activities that great businesses are known for. When Portalink identifies order discrepancies, such as incorrect material codes, incorrect prices, or potential duplicates, the orders are automatically added to the Needs Attention list. Now, let's walk through the complete process of reviewing, validating, and exporting an order. We'll do this in the Pending Orders section, where you'll find all new orders and orders that are work in progress but not yet exported to Shopify Drafts. The orders are listed in ascending orders, with the most recent orders at the top of the list. Open any order in the list by clicking on the PO number. The email message will appear on the left with the PDF or order attachment above. This allows you to check for any instructions in the email before you click on the attachment to open the order. All of the data that would normally need to be manually entered is presented in its digital form on the right. Portal link will alert you at the top of the page if any action is needed. A red notification indicates that Portal Link has detected critical issues that must be resolved before the order can be exported to Shopify Drafts. In other words, they are non-ignorable, as explained in the previous business rules video. An orange notification indicates that order discrepancies need to be reviewed. Unlike red notifications, orders with orange notifications can be exported to Shopify Drafts without altering the discrepant data. These discrepancies can be changed or ignored at your discretion. When you scroll through the order, you will see red or orange icons directing you to the discrepant data. The good news is that only the discrepant data needs to be addressed, so you can take a shortcut by clicking on the View Discrepancies button at the top of the page. Clicking on the icon provides more information to help you fix each discrepancy. For example, if there's a price mismatch, Portal Link will show you both the customer's price and your system price, allowing you to quickly decide which is correct or if an adjustment is needed. If a material code is incorrect, Portal Link Any Order will help you find the correct product from your Shopify catalog. By working hand in glove with your online data and Shopify B2B primitives capabilities, Portal Link helps you fix errors quickly and easily, without having to undergo a complex system integration or a long-winded and expensive implementation project. Remember, the Needs Attention tab is where you'll find all the orders where Portal Link has found discrepancies, but most orders in the Pending Orders tab will be free of discrepancies. If there is no alert bar at the top of the page, the order can be exported to Drafts with zero touch. When all errors are resolved, click on Export to Draft, and the order will be sent to Shopify Drafts, ready alongside your online orders to be exported to your ERP or order management system. Here's a tip. When an order is opened, it is locked to prevent two people from processing the same order. Imagine that one of the customer service reps goes to lunch before an order has been completed. The lock can be released or stolen by another agent, which prevents orders from getting stuck in one person's in-tray. There are loads of more valuable features to discover that will help you achieve world's best practice in offline order automation. Our POC plan enables you to test as many orders as needed free of charge until you are convinced that Portal Link Any Order is the right solution for you. You will only incur a small per-order fee for orders you export to Shopify Drafts. So, we recommend that you only click Export to Draft when you want to test the complete end-to-end workflow. When you are ready to start using Portal Link Any Order for real orders, simply choose the plan that is right for you. If you want to start by automating just a few of your customers, select the small plan. You can change to larger plans at any time as you add more customers, or, for that matter, you can return to a smaller plan at any time, and the fees will be recalculated on a pro-rata basis. This is particularly useful for businesses with strong seasonal peaks and troughs. The bottom line, there has never been a better time to turn offline on. When you install Portal Link Any Order, The business rules are pre-configured so that you can start testing straight away. For optimal performance, the business rules enable you to align the PortalLink system with your established workflow processes. PortalLink Any Order automatically validates the data in every offline order based on the business rules configurations. This is important for two reasons. First, to align the character field lengths with your own order management system, such as an ERP. Second, to highlight any data discrepancies before each order is exported to Shopify drafts. Unlike online orders, when buyers send offline orders directly from their own systems by email, the orders can contain data errors. These errors occur because the data in your buyer's systems is often out of sync with the data in your system. You will quickly learn to trust PortalLink's accuracy, so when the business rules are fully configured, you can quickly focus on the occasional buyer mistakes and ignore the rest of the order data PortalLink has captured. Consequently, most of your offline orders can be processed with zero touch. Your system integration partner can assist you by scoping your business needs and configuring the PortalLink Any Order rules to align with your operating system. Let's go to the business rules to see how. Click Admin. Click Business Rules. To find specific rules within the list, click Add Filter, which allows you to filter by rule level, rule status, and variation type. To remove a filter, simply click the X button next to it. Now, let's learn how to modify the business rules. Each rule can be set to ignorable or non-ignorable. If a business rule is set as non-ignorable, you will not be able to export the order to draft until the data variance is resolved. When a business rule is set to ignorable, data variances are still flagged in each order, but you can export the order to draft without making changes. To modify each business rule, click on it to open a prompt. Tick or untick the Enabled and Ignorable boxes. PortalLink's advanced configuration allows you to set specific parameters like minimum and maximum field lengths or values, ensuring your data meets exact specifications. Click the gear icon under the Validate Order Data Field Values rule. Now you can set the minimum and maximum lengths and values for the data field. Once you've configured your parameters, save your changes. Your system integration partner should scope and configure the business rules to match your current order processing requirements prior to go live, ensuring your business rules perfectly align with your unique workflow so that potential mistakes by your buyers are addressed quickly and effortlessly before they become costly problems.